Okay, back again with real money trades for my masterclass over at simpleswitch.teachable.com. If you go over there and take my masterclass, it will get you up to speed on what I'm doing with this real money trading series, growing a small account in the futures market and with swing trading. And I chose the futures market to go with this because I don't have to worry about the PDT rule and I can day trade. In my masterclass, I take you from day one to I want to be a trader, then selecting a broker, opening an account, then teaching you how I build winning strategies that fits you. So I call it the PLG, personality, lifestyle, and goals. But not just that, strategies that have a proven statistical probability of success. Once we build our strategies, then we build a trade plan to go with those strategies. Two completely different things, traders. You need a good strategy and a good trade plan to be successful. Then I sim trade those strategies, and now we're into the real money trading portion of building a winning strategy. That is what this series is about. I plan on trading these accounts until the end of 2023, and we'll see how far we can grow them in 1 year's time. Now, I don't know if these strategies are going to be successful. We're going to find this out together, and if they're not, hopefully I can tweak them along the way to make them successful. I started my futures account with $1,700 because that was the bare minimum I felt like I could start with. And then I started my swing trading account with $2,000. Again, I felt that was the bare minimum I can start with. In my masterclass, I explain all these details and why I make the decisions, what you're seeing on the screens, the charts that you're seeing, all the tools, all that stuff. This class can benefit beginner traders and pro traders alike. I do trade with my algorithm, but you don't need that in order to benefit from my masterclass. You can trade with whatever tool it is for you. If you're thinking about taking somebody else's class, my masterclass can help you choose what other strategy might be right for you. This way, if you're going to spend a lot of money to buy somebody else's strategy, it would really be good if that strategy would fit you. And I teach you all about that in my masterclass, so go check it out. But for now, let's get into today's video. All right, so here we are with the MGC in the futures market. I wasn't able to record my entry into this. We got in back here, went sideways, market closed, new day open, and here we are still going in this trade. I actually got in. Let me put my thing on the chart where I actually got in. I'm going to show you a couple things here real quick. 1930.30. So we're really close. So we got in down here at a discount, which is pretty nice. So let's go do it real quick. MGC. Right now you can see this is the futures contract ticker, and MGC is the chart that trades. So this looks weird, right? What is going on here that doesn't match? Well, I can tell you one thing is, let's go back to the contract. This contract expires today. So I don't plan on trying to roll it into another contract. I could just stay with it and Thinkorswim would hopefully roll it into another contract for me. So, I mean, I could stay in this trade, but we are now breaking this support level. We're triggering a short trade with the algo and going, along with that right now. If this thing will confirm in the next 3 seconds, and it looks like it's going to, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to think about reversing my trade right now because the algo is triggering a short. So I'm going to go ahead and reverse that trade. So we just reversed it. So by hitting that reverse button up here. So now we're in short on this trade. So we're going to look to just get out, break even, call it a day. I can ride it back down, speed bump. This is probably going to speed bump right here. It's probably going to stop out, and then I could be in the speed bump portion of it, which is a really high success rate. But for today, I just want to get out, break even, plus a couple bucks, and then wait for the new contract cycle. It's probably not a big deal because this runs off of the price, what gold's valued at, but it's in the futures market under a contract, and I'd rather not monkey with that contract too much. So that's the plan right now. Okay, so you can see here, good call on my part to reverse my trade early because the algo switched and we were breaking some support areas in the technical side. Really, the algo switched. That's pretty much all I need. But the extra little piece of comfort, I guess you could say, from looking at the chart side of it is some support or resistance support area over here broke. So now we sold off. And there's a good possibility we're going to hit here. This was the stop, right? To reverse a trade as the strategy normally is if I don't have that switch in between. This would have been where I reversed, looking for a hit down here. So, but like I said, I just want to be out of this trade. funky times potentially. Just don't trust it. Trust it or myself, right? If I make a mistake with the contract expiration day, I just want to get caught into something that's a surprise. So I'd rather just get out, hang out. But in reality, the chart should stay the same based on what gold is doing. And it shouldn't matter that this contract is expiring. But for my own comfort and peace of mind, just the words of it expiring and I'm holding it, I don't like it. So I'm going to go ahead and move my my stop now. I'm going to start trailing a stop here. 19243 is where I'm going to trail that stop. So if it backs up from here and I get out all good. I'll be break even plus a few dollars on this trade. And then I can call it a day and look for another trade that's set up with the MES. Okay, so there you go. We're out of the trade. Again, P&L day is not quite accurate. We got out at 19246. I was hoping that would be 3, but all good. We'll take what we can get. So 19246. All right, let me show you what this looks like in the My Strategy Manager. Okay, so here we are in the My Strategy Manager. See, we're $1 away from $100. Come on. Makes me want to jump back in and make $1. All right, so either way, though, we're good. So in this trade right here, this is the trade that I reversed on. After commissions, lost $50. And then this trade is one we just took. After commissions, made $64. So we end up with $14 in profit overall on the trade. So pretty fantastic. Yes, I could stay in it. Speed bumps have very high probability. But part of trading is the emotional fitness side, traders, and doing what, having a strategy and a plan that fits your personality, your lifestyle, and your goals. And part of that is understanding how you are with your emotions and what you need to do to be able to be successful with those. So for me, it's reversing this trade because the algo told me I can reverse it. And then because this is weighing on my brain and it shouldn't of the contract expiration, I'm just going to call it a day. I'm going to choose a position of cash, right? You have a bunch of different positions in trading. You have the long position, you have the short position, you have the cash position where you're not in the trade. That is a position. If you're in options, you have the sideways position. You can choose neither long or short. You're like, it's going to go sideways. And that's a trade you could take on a straddle. So there's lots of different position opportunities. And cash is one of those. And that's what I'm choosing to be in for now with this ticker. So, all right, we'll see if MES sets up a trade. And then I'll bring it to you. Yeah, look, see, it's going to crash way down here. And I'm going to regret everything. But I don't care. It's all good. I'm not going to look at it. I'm turning it off. All right, everybody. See you in the next video.